Hello there, all aspiring yogi and yoginis, the people who just want to work out, and the random people who stumbled upon this video in this indefinite depth of the YouTube. So welcome you all to this video. Today I'm going to be showcasing some asanas which are great for burning that stubborn belly fat that you have been carrying around for God knows how many years. So today I'm going to tell you how to get rid of that fat easily. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. We will start with the Nauka Asana, also known as boat pose. It will help you in strengthening your back and leg muscles, and it will help you to get rid of the fat around the waist as it engages your core to maintain the balance. So let's begin with it.
Lay down on your back, keep your hand at your sides, and now inhale and exhale. With a deep inhale, try to raise your legs as high as possible, keeping them straight. Now lift your body up and make a 45-degree angle. Breathe normally and then try to grab your big toes with your hands and stay in this position for few seconds. Come back to the original position after this and repeat this asana 5 times.
So now we will do Adho Mukha Svanasana, which is also known as downward facing dog. It will boost your metabolic rate and it will engage your abdomen muscles the entire time.
You need to come to your fours and form a table. Now inhale and exhale. Then tuck your toes and lift your legs up and don't bend your knees. Now form an inverted V shape from your arms. Keep your toes pointed straight ahead. Your hands should be shoulder width apart. Look towards your navel. Hold this position for a few minutes and take long breaths. Return to your original position. Repeat this for 5 times.
Now we will do Pavan Muktasana, which is also known as wind easing posture. It will tone your abs and it will relieve the pain in your lower back. It will also tone your hips and thighs. It helps you to improve your stomach health and enhancing your metabolism. So now let's see how to do Pavan Muktasana.
You need to lay down on your back and keep your arms at your sides. Stretch out your legs and bend your knees and bring them towards your chest. Hold your bent legs with your hands and apply pressure to your tummy. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for about 3 minutes. Try to touch your nose to your knees, and if not possible, keep your head back to the ground and remain to this position. Come to the original position. Repeat this 5 times.
Now we will do Uttanpadasana, which is also known as raised foot pose. Uttanpadasana treats your stomach ailments while melting away the fat of your lower stomach. This is one of the most efficient yoga poses to get rid of the abdominal fat. So now let's see how to do Uttanpadasana.
You need to lie down on your back, keep your legs straight and hand on your sides. Inhale deeply and stretch your body. Raise your legs off the floor to create a 45-degree angle. Then hold this for few seconds and create a 90-degree angle. Hold this for few seconds and then slowly return to 45-degree angle and then to the original position. Try to do this asana 10 times without bending your knees.
Now we will come to the last asana of this video, which is known as Paschimottanasana, also known as seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana will not only help you to get rid of the fat around your stomach, but it will also balance your menstrual cycles, relieve stress and treats the digestive disorders. So now let's see how to do.
Sit on the floor and stretch your legs in front of you. Keep your spine straight, lift your arms up and stomach engaged. Bend forward from your hips to touch your toes. Once you touch your toes, stretch a little more and hold them for about 3 minutes. Then return to your original position and repeat this asana 10 times.
So that's it, my dear viewers. If you have any query related to this video or you want to ask me anything regarding yoga, you can ask me in the comment section or you can mail me as well. Email ID is provided in the description box. Hope we'll see you soon and stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching this video.